Hello, I am Sumuk from Polydojo, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your coworkers to join your Polydojo organization. It's all very simple. Just go to organization. Now, by default, Polydojo will assign you a name to your organization which looks something like this. If you would like to make it a little more human-friendly, you can just say edit name and enter a nice name like Sumo's Test Dojo. It feels good to get rid of the underscores. Just hit enter to save, and that's done. Now, to invite your coworkers, just click invite, put in a coworker's name, let's say John Ford. Let's say biom.de. This is another temporary email service. Now guys, there is no John Ford on my team. However, I want to show you how to send out these invites, and I will also show you the invitation as it will be received by John. So I'm just going to use a dummy email address for now, and I'll show you what the invitation looks like. Once you've entered your coworker's name and email, just click invite. Great, invitation sent. You will see that the invitation is pending and is listed here, and that John is listed here under invited users. Let's also go ahead and invite another coworker, Sarah. We'll put in her name and her email, and I'll hit enter. Or you can just click the invite button. Once the invitation is sent, click OK, and we see this nice little screen. Now, I'm using Firefox here and here for Sumuk's account. That's for my account. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to use a different browser for John and for Sarah. Now, in reality, of course, I, Sumuk, John, and Sarah will be on 3 different computers. But right now, for this demo, I've only got one screen. So I'm going to use Firefox for Sumuk, Chrome for John, and Opera for Sarah. So all John now needs to do is open his email. So using Chrome, we'll just open up John's email. That's john.ford.123. And see, we see here an invitation email from Sumo. Join Sumo Test Dojo on Polydojo. This is an email that John has received. All he has to say now is join now. When he clicks join now, the joining form will open in just a second. There it is. John can make sure that his name is spelled correctly. He cannot change his email address because this is the email address to which the invitation was sent. He can enter his phone number. Now, I'm going to enter the same phone number which we use for Polydojo. That's 302-480-1597. Okay, and I'm going to put in a password. Now again, John has to choose his own password, and John need not share this password with anyone, and indeed John should not share this password with anyone for his security. John should also accept the terms after reading them, and then say join. Great, now John has joined our team. Now, if I navigate back from Google Chrome to Firefox, and I quickly just say refresh here, we will see that John is no longer an invited user. He's a fully credentialed user who can now log in into Polydojo using his own login credentials. Great. Similarly, Sarah would have received an invitation. Let's go and show you that. There we see Sarah's invitation. And she can similarly click join now and complete the process. Now, I'm not going to do that right now to save time, but you get the idea that once Sarah accepts her invitation, she too will be listed here under credentialed users, and she'll be able to log in. In the next video, we'll talk about setting up our first forms and workflows. Thank you so much for watching.